What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. We are back out here at OV Shop here. See the LML behind me, but that is not what we're on today. Today we are going to be checking out the L5P Project Duramax. We're going to be going over the interior swap on this. So if you got a base model work truck that you want to convert into like a Denali or an AT4 type interior, then this video is for you. This is going to be probably filmed over the course of a couple weeks here. We got tons of parts inside. If you guys haven't seen part of the series yet, go back and watch. We're going to have a whole playlist on this truck, but today we're going to go over the interior specifically. Ovi spent some time tearing out all the original parts. So what I want to do first here is roll some of that time-lapse footage that he got for us on there, and then we'll catch back up with you. So let's roll that in 3, 2, 1, go. guys, so there you have it on the removal. We're gonna step inside the shop now and see where we're at today. Got some major progress before we go into the install, and I want to show you all the pieces because there is a plethora of pieces in here. It's like Christmas all over again. So let's step inside the shop and see what we got, guys. Check it out already. Look at all the pieces over here. This is all the original trim pieces that came out of there. Look, you can even see the dash. We're going 0 miles an hour right now, but look at all this stuff. They're actually going faster than you think. There's the old wheel. You know we're gonna have a new wheel and everything. Old dash, which really isn't that bad. But check out all the stuff we got laid out here. Honestly, I told him you need to sell the whole thing as a lot. So if you guys see anything in here you want, or maybe just take everything for a lump sum, hit us up. Send us an email and maybe we can get you a good deal on some of this OEM stuff that we're not going to use. We got boxes on boxes over here. Mixed in, we got Denali and AT4 type parts, all high-end stuff that's going to be going in the truck. You can see the Christmas tree in the background. Tis the season, and why not do it up big? So I don't even know what's in all the boxes here. All kinds of pieces. What do we got? Holy cow, brand new dash. I mean, you name it, we got it. Some Boost Auto parts, got to make the sponsors happy. There's a new tailgate. I mean, just odds and ends. What's nice is he's got it over here on the lift. What's up, buddy? I'm just walking right by you. What do you think of this thing?
I don't know.
Not bad? How's the project so far?
Pretty easy.
Pretty easy?
Yeah.
The tear out, would it take you one night? Really? To get all that stuff out of there?
Yep.
Yeah, that ain't bad. And then how long is it gonna take to put all the new stuff in?
Another night.
Another night? You think you can flip this thing in a day?
Yeah.
Even that new screen?
Oh yeah.
Really? So we're gonna check all that stuff out, and you got the GoPro, right? So you're rolling some of this stuff? Perfect. Did you get some clips before?
It died.
It died, but you got some? Okay, perfect. I'll take that and swap you. I got another memory card, so I'll dump that out because I imagine it probably fueled up. You want to be on YouTube?
Be on the tube?
Yeah. You want to be on there?
What's on the tube?
Everything, buddy. This thing's going to be on there. Let's check it out, though. Look at this. Stripped all the way down to the bare bones in here. I mean, there is a lot of stuff going on in here, but you can see all the way down to the floor. Some modules left in here. We're not even gonna have a steer. We're gonna put a Tesla wheel in here and we're gonna ghost ride this whip all the way down. I'm just kidding, but look at this sucker. Look at the vents. Don't it look hilarious? Reminds me of like old school Ford Model T or something. This is how they used to do it back in the good old days. But we're gonna make it fancy. Look at the light on that sucker.
That's my dive camera.
Is it really? Dang, that sucker is clean.
I gotta see if it does any good.
Gonna see if it works. There's that one. It's still on rolling. That's nice. Oh yeah, it's showing red. we're working on the camera stuff. All right, guys. The important thing here is the truck, and it is stripped way down. Look at it. Unbelievable.
Maybe it didn't die. It just froze.
Yeah, I might have froze. Just pull the cover off the side and pull the battery out and put it back in. It'll get there. But we just wanted to show you guys that we're actually getting it done here. And not hired it out. Not going to show you guys. It can be done. All right, that's the whole thing here. You got the old center console here, headliner. There's the old cloth seat. Oh gosh, the cloth is just terrible. Wait till you see what we do there. I mean, the whole bed's got stuff. I bet there's 10,000 nuts and bolts in this thing. Pull that. All you gotta do is pull that down.
Oh shit.
Pull that out. And slide that back in. Give it a reboot, and that should go.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah, that's all it is.
Probably just froze though.
Yeah. So anyways, guys, you can see in here, that passenger side, not much to see all the way stripped down. It's the new stuff that's going to be cool, but I just wanted to show you before we roll any further in this, what it's going to look like, fully tore down, and then afterwards, yes. And it only costs, what, 50 bucks to do all this? Something like that. Yep. So then we'll move to the exterior of the vehicle next, but for now, just picture that interior in the work Denali. I don't know what to call it. We're gonna have to think of a name for it. And here is the new dash officially out of the box. Look at it, brand spanking new, clean as a whistle. Taking some of the pieces out so we can get that locked in there, but boy, she is gonna look way too clean. Ovi was gonna put on a Christmas shirt for us. He said maybe he'll get Brad to do it. I'll leave that shirt here. Somebody gonna have to put it on because we got to get all these boxes. That's just one, guys. That's just one out of all these boxes. Wow, and the tailgate's over there too. We just got so much interior and exterior. Sticking to the interior for this video. You're just gonna have to wait around for the other stuff.
Ovi on Christmas morning. Time to open his boxes.
so we got the truck in the shop here. I got to use a ladder just to get up to it because it is on jacks, but I did want to show you guys a quick update on the interior before this project gets wrapped up, because Ovi's been flying on this thing. The interior's in, and this thing just looks crazy. Let me try to get up here and not make the truck fall off the lift either. Hey, don't watch me on the camera, boy. Try to open that door nice and easily. Holy cow. Look at them seats, boy. The AT4 seats are in. The new steering wheel is in. See the dash? Ovi had to put a whole new dash in because it didn't have the little screen. This is the upgraded one from the stock. So this had to be programmed and set in there. Obviously a lot of work done there. You can see the big screen, the Autotech screen in and installed. Center console, this thing's looking so freaking good. Let's see, I don't know if this lift, boy. Try to get in there. The headliner still needs done. Oh my gosh. See if that help you guys? I didn't even have my camera light on. Okay. So here we go. There you can see headliner's down, new dash, the big Autotech screen, the AT4 seats, AT4, even in the headrest. Gosh, this thing's looking killer. Still needs an airbag, it looks like, but that steering wheel is nice. It's starting to smell like a new vehicle too, Oh. This looks so crazy, guys. Wait till this sucker gets done and wrapped up. Are gonna do the boost auto cab lights as well, so those are gonna go in too. Might do a separate video for them on this. Just trying to hook everybody up. That's what this channel's all about. And the Instagram page, I want to be able to put other people on. That's what this industry is about, working together for the common passion. But I'm gonna try to not get hurt. That was a lot of fun and such a trip down memory lane. So again, guys, just because you have a base model, don't think you can't take it to the next level. There are many things you can do to upgrade your vehicle. You don't always have to pay 90 to 100 grand to get a cool truck. Just buy you some aftermarket parts, some used, some new takeoffs, whatever you can get a hold of. But upgrade your truck. They look super cool. This is kind of our experience. What do you guys think of it so far? Drop some comments down below. Give it a big thumbs up, guys, and we'll update you guys later when we get a chance for part 2. We love you all. God bless you. Peace.